Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making roasted brown sugar sweet potatoes. This recipe combines sweet potatoes, butter, brown sugar, and cinnamon. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and take a baking sheet and line it with foil and then set it aside. Peel and cut enough sweet potatoes into 1-inch cubes to make 4 cups, and then set them aside. In a bowl, add 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir this together until it's well combined. Now pour in your cubed sweet potatoes. Stir together until your sweet potatoes are well coated. Now pour them out onto your prepared baking sheet. Now bake them in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they are fork tender. And be sure to stir them halfway through. Then remove them from the oven and place them on a wire rack to cool some before serving. And here they are, roasted brown sugar sweet potatoes. This is an easy and delicious side dish. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Amy. Today I'm making roasted brown sugar. Oh, what am I making? Sweet potatoes. Wait a minute. Wait. What am I saying? Peel and cut. Oh, I can't do it. Peel and cut enough sweet potatoes to make. Peel and cut enough sweet potatoes. Oh. Oh, I have to do that again?
Yes.
Oh! Was that right?
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, okay.
You got it.
And here they are, roasted brown sugar sweet potatoes.